Hi, so my name is Satyam, and this is day 2 of my interview prep journey. And I really want to improve on my problem solving skills and communication skills. So, with that, let's start with the problem. In this video, we will talk about the problem called intersection. Okay, so let's first understand the problem itself. Okay, so let's suppose we have two array, right? This and this, and we need to find a common element that is duplicating in both of array, right? So let's say uh, 2 is this 2 in first array and also 2 in second array. So we will be written we the output will be an array of common elements. Okay, so 2 is a common element and 6 is also a common element. Okay, so basically we need to find a common element uh, that represents in both of array, both the arrays, right? So let's solve this. Okay, so what I will do is uh, loop over one element, right? Let's say right, and check if this if item is includes in the first array or not, right? So if a if b not if a includes if a array does have a item or not, right? Item, if it is has, that means we need to push. So what we can do is create our result, right? Then we can just push. Okay, and then what we can do is return the result. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, so we have completed this problem, but if we talk about the time complexity and space complexity, so the time complexity will be, so we can see that okay, because we are uh, looping once only, so we will have, so the time complexity will be on, right? Because we are, sorry, but in JavaScript whenever you use includes, right? So behind the behind what JavaScript does, whenever you use includes, basically it checks for all the elements, right? To find a item, for example, right? So it will also have a on, and we have a on which which we are iterating, and dot includes also have time complexity of on, right? So this would be n square, right? And space complexity would be on, because we are storing n elements, right? So how can we optimize, like can we reduce time complexity to on, right? We can have, like we can have some hash map or something like this, right? And do not use includes, basically. So what we can do is we can use set, right? So let's say set a, or set a, yes, set a, new set, right? Now set has method, right, which we can check if it has or not, right? So we can check if item in set A or not. If, because it's not object set A, but if has item, we can push. Okay, so what we have done is that we have reduced our time complexity n square to O n, right? I mean set is set also has like O n, but because we are not uh, doing this thing in inside loop, right? That's why we are not having n square, right? Because includes was checking for in for every loop, right? So if we talk about unsimplified time complexity, this would be O n plus n, and if we simplify this, we can have n, because n is a constant, right? So yeah, this is my solution, and thanks for watching the video. Bye.